So as I mentioned, when you're working with Philadelphia Water Ice and you're starting to make your own product, Sentry has 3 different types of equipment that you can get into. We have a countertop batch freezer that is proprietary to Philadelphia Water Ice, and they have a wonderful package deal with this. So you get the countertop batch freezer, you get water ice freezer so you can store the water ice for dipping, 60 gallons of premium Italian ice base, which produces 120 2.5 gallon tubs. So essentially, when you've sold all the tubs that you're getting for free, you've paid for the entire package. So you get some marketing material, you get the freezer, you get the wrapped countertop batch freezer, and a ton of product, buckets, and training included. Additionally, no matter where you are in the country, you're working with Sentry Equipment's distributor network. So I'm here out of the Philadelphia, New Jersey market, but if you're somewhere else, we will ship your equipment to our distributor. They will hand deliver it, white glove it into your store, and help you with understanding the equipment, wearable parts, training, and support. Additionally, we have videos like this online as a resource, so you can always refer back to them to help ensure that the integration of this product into your store is a success. If you're getting from the countertop batch freezer and you're graduating into a larger batch freezer, either our 12-quart or our 24-quart, it's the same process. We're going to have our team, no matter where you are in the country, deliver the equipment. They will work with you on training and support and startup. The difference between the countertop batch freezer and the floor model batch freezers is speed. Okay? The countertop batch freezer will take about 30 to 35 minutes to produce a 2.5 gallon tub of ice. This machine will do it about 2.5 to 3 gallons in roughly 15 minutes. And the 24-quart will produce double that, about 6 to 7 gallons of product in 15 minutes. So you need to figure out your anticipated volume, or if you're already selling wholesale tubs, how much you're going through to figure out how much you need and what type of investment you need to make. So no matter if you're kind of dipping your toe in the water of making your ice, we have the countertop package, but if you want to get right into it and be able to produce more massive amounts of ice for your store when it's needed, we have the floor model options also. So people ask me and Angela all the time, well, what machine should I start out with? Look, if you're in a part of the country where Italian ice maybe isn't known or popular, you might want to go with the countertop, right? Where you start out, it's a little bit less investment, and it gives you time to help the product grow into your market. But if you're in a part of the area, or you've been selling wholesale ice, and you know how many wholesale tubs you're selling, we could look at those numbers and ascertain what would be the best investment for you. I will tell you this, if you're selling wholesale ice now, and you decide to transition into homemade ice, using this premium Italian ice base, your sales will go up exponentially. We've been doing this, my company Sentry, we've been doing this for over 40 years. And I will tell you right now, time I have somebody who's doing a wholesale product and they go to homemade, the minimum 20% price boost in sales right off the bat. Because people want homemade product. And when you have a product that's simple to make and taste as good as what you're getting with your wholesale product, it's just a home run.